We finally got to spend 3 days in Boracay. No strict itinerary, no island hopping, no activities. This trip was really all about resting, walking by the beach, and of course, eating a lot. We stayed at Joni's Beach Resort in Station 1, and honestly, I really recommend this place if you want somewhere peaceful and quiet. The rooms are a few meters away from the main beach, so it's not noisy at all. But their breakfast restaurant is beachfront, so you have the best of both worlds. Their customer service here is also super excellent. Everyone was warm and accommodating. We arrived around lunchtime, so naturally, first agenda is food. We went straight to Nalka Seafood Restaurant. The view here is really nice because you can see Station 2 while enjoying your food. We ordered their best sellers, the baked oyster and the Nalka kare kare. Definitely a good first meal here in Boracay. After lunch, of course, coffee is a must. We walked and walked again to find the OG Real Coffee and Tea Cafe. The place feels old and cozy, nothing fancy, but very warm and relaxing. Plus, the beach view is just perfect for a slow afternoon. We ordered a basic iced Americano and their famous calamansi muffin. And guys, the muffin is really, really good. Like, I understand the hype now. I even bought a lot from Pasalubong. And another dessert, this place serves incredibly rich and flavorful gelato. It instantly became my hubby's favorite treat here in Boracay. After that, we just stayed by the beach and soaked in the sunset while thinking about our next meal. Because food trip is the main activity of this trip. Eventually, we arrived at Two Seasons Boracay Resto for dinner. At first, I thought we were too early, but this place was already jam packed. There was already a queue, but honestly, I didn't mind waiting because the view here is too nice. Finally, we got seated and ordered their famous oyster sisig and four cheese pizza. The oyster sisig, super tasty. I really like that one. The pizza was okay for me, good, but the oyster sisig definitely stole the show. And that's it for day one. For day two, started it early with a morning walk by the beach. One thing I really love about Boracay is how calm and beautiful the mornings are. We had breakfast by the beach back at Joni's Beach Resort. I got the tapa and egg set while hubby ordered this extra looking eggs benedict loaded with bacon. After all the savory breakfast food, we needed morning dessert to balance things out. So we went to Coco Mama. It's light, refreshing, not too sweet, and perfect for the Boracay heat. For this trip, we really didn't plan any activities. No tours, no schedules. We just wanted to chill, walk around, and try famous cafes and restaurants. For lunch, we went to the mall and headed straight to Mezerap. Again, this place was packed. We ordered their famous skewers, beef, chicken, and pork. Surprisingly, the chicken was the best for me. The beef and pork were okay, but the chicken really stood out. And of course, dessert again. This time at Ube Mama, which is basically the sister of Coco Mama. This dessert is so rich and indulgent. There's ice cream, pudding, sticky rice, and what really makes it special is the salted coconut cream. Honestly, I don't think this serving is for one person because I couldn't finish it by myself. It's super heavy but super worth it. After lunch, we decided to do more walking again, just appreciating the beach and the breeze. And then we found a nice spot to chill and have drinks at Chacha's Beach Cafe. We ordered their Aperol Spritz and Piña Colada, perfect combo for lazy afternoon. Before sunset, we had a quick dip in the water, then rested for a while before dinner. And then we walked toward Sunnyside Cafe to watch the sunset while we wait for dinner time. As you can see, the view here is amazing. I ordered their famous chorizo burger. It was really good, although medyo pricey siya for me. And we also tried the grilled cheese and tomato soup. For us, it was just okay. Maybe the thick cut bacon and thick tomato soup texture just wasn't our thing. But still, our tummies were very, very happy today. Last day in this beautiful island, of course, morning walk again because we really wanted to savor every moment before heading home. Today's weather was extra beautiful. Bright blue skies, clear water, everything just looked extra magical today. For breakfast, we had banana chia pudding and our favorite eggs benedict again to fuel our trip back to Davao. What a wonderful last day. This is the kind of view you don't get to see every day. Thank you, Boracay. And thank you all for watching.